Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Trainheroic and creating an account. This gets your identity into the system so progress saves. Once done, accept your coach's invite or browse and join the program you were assigned, because joining links workouts to your calendar. Make sure to complete the basic profile, weight, training experience, and notification settings, since those values tailor percentages and reminders. Also grant permissions for notifications and health data, so the app can track and prompt your sessions. You now move into the workouts. Open Today or Workouts to see scheduled sessions with sets, reps, and prescribed percentages. Tap an exercise to view demo video, technical cues, and automatic load math so you understand why a weight is recommended. Record weight, reps, and RPE after each set. This updates your training history and future prescriptions. Use auto set for quick load selection, start built-in timers, and add notes. If you wear a tracker, sync it, otherwise enter data manually to keep training continuity. You finish sessions by completing the cool-down, marking the workout complete, and reviewing the summary plus any coach feedback. This closes the loop on a day's work. If you need to change future prescriptions because of fatigue or a minor injury, adjust program intensity or add a deload in program settings so progression remains safe. If something goes wrong, like a sync or login error, force close the app, confirm permissions and network, then re-login. If issues persist, take a screenshot and contact your coach for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.